Rohit's biggest strength is his awareness of his weakest link in the body. Rohit has had injury histories, which is in public domain. Having had those injuries, having had those episodes of rehab, surgery, return to play,
Yep.
again injury, and to have the awareness कि इसका थ्रेशोल्ड इधर तक है, ये लेग का, ये मसल का थ्रेशोल्ड उधर तक है, that is different.
Intuitive awareness के.
Intuitive and also physical awareness, because for Rohit Sharma, if something goes wrong and he breaks down, sometimes it is a breakdown episode which he'll take 4-5 months to come back. Sometimes it may be a situation कि अगर कुछ गलत हुआ तो that is career ending injury.
Tight rope पर चल रहे थे वैसे.
हाँ, अभी भी चल रहे हैं. Are you saying that he is fittest in the team? No, he is not fittest. Are we saying that he is the best that he can be? No, he is not the best that he can. He himself will be the first one to admit or say or own up कि भाई और हो सकता है काम और बेटर हम कर सकते हैं. But having said all this, ऐसा बोलना कि वो अनफिट है, वो मेहनत नहीं करते फिटनेस पे, या वो खाली अपने टैलेंट पे खेल रहे हैं, that is a little too much. It is just basically accusations and assumptions that are baseless. He does his thing with his injury history and his physical restrictions at the moment to play for 4.5 years, missing a couple of series here and there,
yeah.
which everyone does who plays all formats, is very much okay. Pure strength work.
Okay, strength करते हैं.
Proper strength work around his hips to strengthen his entire hip structure.
Okay.
Hamstring, hip flexors, glutes, basically the entire structure around his hips to keep the strength levels very high, so that once we start playing day in and day out, high speed running comes in and everything come in and the strength start to deplete, कम होती जाएगी strength, तब he should not be in a position where because of strength deficit, any movement that is challenging his weakest मसल स्ट्रक्चर कुछ टेयर हो जाए या कुछ स्नैप कर जाए उसके लिए. तो स्ट्रेंथ अगर ठीक से करेंगे एंड बेसिक कंडीशनिंग करते रहेंगे तो ही विल बी इन अ पोजीशन वेयर ही विल नॉट बी ब्रेकिंग डाउन और गेटिंग इंजर्ड.